To open it up, just pull up on this. It's gonna be a little bit tricky. And yeah, until you hear the clicking noise, then you go to the other side. Then, there you go. Pull both of them up. Hey everyone, it's Aaron here, and today we'll be cleaning out my PS4. I've been noticing it's been making a loud humming noise every time I play on it, and it's getting really annoying. So, we'll be trying to clean it out and see if that will fix it. So for this, we'll need a clean rag, canned air, or an air compressor if you have one, Q-tips, and some muscles, because it's really hard to take this thing off. Let me show you how loud my PS4 actually is. So let's play. As you guys can hear, it's pretty loud, and so we'll be trying to fix that loud noise and try to get rid of it, if we can. So now let's go get the clean rag and the canned air. I choose the canned air because it's easier to use. So let's go now. Okay guys, so now we're back. Here we have our rag and the compressed air in a can. Alright, so now let's open it up. To open it up, just pull up on this. It's gonna be a little bit tricky. And yeah, until you hear the clicking noise, then you go to the other side. Then, there you go. Pull both of them up. There's up. And then slide the back off. And whoa, here we have a lot of dust. Wow, it's really dusty. I haven't cleaned this thing yet. Wow, look at that. Alright, let's go. Let's wipe this off. So much dust. Let's get every little piece. Alright, that part should be good now. Let's put this to the side. Alright, now let's wipe this part. All clean. Let's wipe this part. Just this. Let's wipe around here. Back a little bit. Alright, now it's time to spray the fan. Alright, now let's clean this out a little bit. Looks good. Oh wow, this can is getting really cold. Clean it a little bit better on the inside. Now let's do a final wipe. It's alright. Looks good as new. Alright, now let's put this thing back together. So what you want to do is you kind of want to like slide this back into place. Once you feel like it's back to like where it was before, you're gonna want to press these two down. That should be good. Press the other one down. Once you hear that, all that clicks, there you go. It's back together now. Alright guys, now that we're done cleaning our PlayStation, let's see if cleaning it made a difference. Usually it's way louder when I start it up, so that's a good sign. On our account, now let's go see Rainbow Six Siege. Because that was very loud when we started it up, so let's see if cleaning made any difference. Alright. Usually it would be loud at this point, but so far so good. I don't want to speak too soon, but it seems good. It sounds good. Let's hop in a game and see. I think it was successful. So silent now. Alright guys, so the noise is gone. Wow. Oh no, we spoke too soon. Look at that. Well, at least we have a clean PlayStation now. Maybe it did help a little bit, but it's still humming. Alright guys, so we succeeded in cleaning our PlayStation, but the loud humming noise is still there. If you guys could help me with that or have any suggestions on what I could do, leave it down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.